In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Salesforce, focusing on accessing and utilizing the company information settings. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to get a better handle on managing your data, this guide is here to walk you through the process step by step with clarity and ease. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Salesforce. Make sure you're logged into your account with the credentials that allow you access to the settings. If you're not yet logged in, you'll see a login screen that prompts you for your username and password. Once you've entered your details, click the login button and you should be directed to your Salesforce homepage, which is often referred to as your dashboard. Now let's proceed to the key part of our task today, accessing the company information. From your Salesforce dashboard, you'll want to look for the settings icon. This is typically represented by a gear-shaped button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear, offering you various administrative options and tools available in Salesforce. Next, go to the search bar within the settings page. This is a handy tool to quickly find specific sections without needing to navigate through multiple tabs manually. In this search bar, type in company information. As you type, suggestions will start to autofill based on what you're entering. Once you see the company information option, click on it and you'll be taken to a page that displays all the key details related to your organization. On this page, you'll find a variety of important information. You can view details such as your company's name, address, phone number, and other critical business information. This page is essential because it allows you to verify that all the organizational data entered at the time of setting up Salesforce is accurate and up to date. Also, for administrators, this section is where you'd come to make changes if, for instance, your company moves to a new address or changes its contact number. And there you have it. That's how you access and review your company information within Salesforce. This is a simple yet fundamental task that ensures your organizational data is always current, which is crucial for effective communication and efficient operations in any business setting. Remember, familiarity with these settings not only helps maintain accurate records, but also enhances your overall Salesforce experience by making it easier to navigate through its environment. Don't hesitate to explore more of Salesforce's settings to further tailor the platform to fit your organizational needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made navigating Salesforce a little simpler for you.